Prostate cancer treatment options. Understanding modern approaches to care. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancer affecting men, particularly those over the age of 50. It developed in the prostate gland, a small organ located below the bladder that produces seminal fluid. While many prostate cancer grows slowly and may not cause serious problem for years, sometimes are aggressive and require immediate treatment. Advances in medical technology have greatly improved the diagnosis and treatment of prostate cancer, offering patients several effective options based on their individual condition. The choices of treatment depend on factors such as the stage and grade of the cancer, the patient's age, overall health, life experience, personal preferences. Doctors work closely with patients to develop a personalized treatment plan that offers the best balance between controlling the disease and maintaining the quality of life. For cancer that is confirmed to prostate, surgery is often one of the most effective treatment options. The most common procedures is a radical prostatectomy, in which the entire prostate gland and some surrounding tissues are removed. Modern robotic assisted surgical techniques have improved precision, reduced blood loss, and shortened recovery time. Another major treatment option is radiation therapy, which use high energy rays to destroy the cancer cell. Radiations may be delivered extremely through the external beam radiation therapy or internally using radioactive seeds in a procedure called brachytherapy. In some cases, radiation is used after surgery to reduce the risk of cancer resource. For patients with advanced or recurrent prostate cancer, hormone therapy, also known as androgen deprivation therapy, play an important role. Since prostate cancer cells rely on the male hormones testosterone or to grow, hormone therapy lower testosterone level or block its effect, slowly slowing cancer progression. If the disease no longer responds to hormone therapy, chemotherapy may be recommended to destroy rapidly growing cancer cells throughout the body. Newer treatment, including targeted therapy and immunotherapy, are also improving outcome for selected patients with advanced disease. Not every patient requires immediate treatment. Men with low risk, slow growing prostate cancer may choose active surveillance, where doctors closely monitor the cancer through regular PSA blood test, physical examination, imaging scan, and occasionally bypass. If the cancer shows sign of progression, active treatment are being promptly. This approach helps many patients avoid unnecessary side effects while maintaining a good quality of health. Recovery after treatment varies depending on the chosen therapy. Surgery may require several weeks of healing, while radiation therapy often causes temporary fatigue and urinary or bowel symptoms that gradually improve. Regular follow-up appointments are essential to monitor the PSA levels and detect any recurrence at an early stage. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle through a balanced diet, regular exercise, emotional support, and routine medical checkup further improve recovery and long-term health. Last but not the least, modern prostate cancer treatment offer a wide range of effective options tailored to each patient's need. Early diagnosis, personalized treatment planning, healthy lifestyle choices, and ongoing follow-up care significantly improve survival rate and the quality of life. With advance in medicines, and many men with prostate cancer can successfully manage the disease and continue to live active, healthy life.